The final paired length measurement to take here is going to be at your full hip. So let me back up a little bit so you can see it. But this time, this would be for a tunic or a dress or anything that would extend past the fullest place on your hips. So you want to tie your scrap yarn around the fullest part of your hips. After you tie it, adjust it, make sure it's really at the fullest part, and make sure it's parallel to the floor. And just as before, starting at the exact same place, we will measure down from the base of our neck to where we hit the scrap yarn and read the measurement. That is your full hip length. Just as we have been doing ever since your full bust, go ahead and encircle with your tape measure the fullest part of your hip, making sure it matches up to where you placed your full hip length. Record this measurement as your full hip circumference and embrace it.